met Jenny a month ago. A month ago.
Yes. I am 18 years out from a rheumatoid arthritis diagnosis. I have oncoming lupus, Hashimoto's thyroiditis, celiac disease, pernicious anemia. I've got everything. I've got asthma, interstitial lung disease. My body has pretty much fallen apart over the last 20 years. And 4 weeks ago, I had 2 MRIs within 4 days of each other, one on my hip, one on my knee. I've had surgery on my knee a couple of times as the rheumatoid has kind of ruined it. I was limping really bad using my handicap tag, and I met Jill at a homeschool event, and she said, check this out. I was ready to be awake for a change and not in pain, because all I wanted to do was sleep every day, all day, though I wasn't sleeping at night. Came to a meeting, found out, dove right in, got the big package, been taking everything in that amount of time. My knee is fine, my hip is fine. Not going to be having surgery on my knee as we anticipated again. I am off of 4 meds. I have 2 pages worth of meds, so I'm anxious to get rid of those. As a bonus, I've lost 16 pounds. Goodness gracious, it's just incredibly awesome. I can't believe that this was available and I didn't know about it. So, yeah.
That's great.
Really exciting.
And they've shared now 5 people, and they've already hit the rank of bronze.
Found a 6th today.
Congratulations.
Yes. So, yeah, it's just good. People, you know, I'm not the kind that wants to go out and, hey, you know, bye. And so I don't. But people that we know and have known me as Jenny.
This is why you are going to do so well with this, because, you know, people just gravitate to, look at her energy. Look at how excited she is. And when you feel good, you can't help but going out and sharing it.
Yeah.
People are going to ask you, what are you doing?
And that's exactly what's been happening. I haven't had anybody coming to meetings because they immediately sign up when they find out what I'm doing, because I'm always a very positive person, but I'm also always a person that's in a lot of pain. And you can see the pain because I park as close as I can, and I get the handicap wheelchair, and yeah, I am completely different in less than a month. So it's exciting.
That is amazing. That's amazing.